Welcome to this how-to video brought to you by the Office Shop Incorporated. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to download and install a Kyocera KX print driver on your Windows PC. Let's head over to Kyocera's website to get the print driver. In your browser, navigate to kyocera-document-solutions.com. Next, click on the Support and Downloads. On this page, click on Download in the box United States. Under the first box marked Product Category, select the type of device you have. If you are unsure, you can leave it on All. In the next box, labeled Products, select the model number of your device. For this how-to, I'm selecting the 3252. Once you've found your device, click on Technical Downloads. Scroll down till you see a list of downloads. It is best to download the newest KX print driver version. I'm selecting version 4. As of this recording, this is the newest driver. Click on the blue icon to the right of the driver. This will start the download of the zip file to your PC. And depending on your PC, this may take a few minutes. Once this is completed, click on the Finished Download on the bottom left of your browser. If your browser does not show the active download, you can navigate to your Downloads folder to find it. Highlight the downloaded zip folder and click on Extract All on the top toolbar. This will unzip the folder. Choose where you would like to unzip the folder. I recommend selecting the desktop to easily find the extracted file. Once this is finished, it should automatically open. If it does not, locate the folder where you specified it to unzip. Double-click the folder, then double-click the folder labeled EN for English. Scroll down through the list and double-click on Setup. Your PC might have a pop-up verifying that it's okay to run this program. Just click OK. Accept the terms and conditions to run the installer. Click on Express Install. The installer should discover your device on the network. All available devices will populate in the top box. If your device does not show in the box, please contact your IT department or our service department for more help installing your device. Click on the device you wish to install. Make sure that you keep the box checked for KX driver. Click Install. You have now just installed the Kyocera driver as a usable printer on your PC. If you would like, you can check Print a Test Page to verify that it prints. Uncheck the box Set Duplex as Default and click Finish. You can now close the setup application and delete the folder we unzipped earlier. If you are having issues and cannot print to the device or do not see the device in the list, please reach out to us on our website at officeshopinc.com or give our service center a call at 1-855-333-0100. Thank you for taking the time to watch this how-to video, and have a great day.